Unmatched mowing performance for any terrain.
Any terrain. It only has one band on here. If you watched our video, Amanda had to bring it up from the road basically with that dolly.
Yeah, we would have been in bad shape if we hadn't had that dolly, because I could not get it up to the house.
Here we go. So it looks like this is different than when we got our first one. Why did I do that?
What?
I knew better than that. All you had to do was that. I forgot. So that's how you take it off. You don't have to open the box, but we did. It's got this big, this is massive. It shows you how to set everything up. It's got a card. Thanks for your trust and welcome to the Lymow journey. Well, we may not trust them. And if you've watched our other video, you know why. So it shows you how to stake it down. Shows you everything that comes with it. And we got to see, there's the battery connection. We got to see if this has a 10 amp charger with it, because we sent ours back. There is a charger, cords. Here is, I don't know what these are. These are new to me. This looks the same. This looks the same. Charging cord. This looks like this goes to the RTK. There's the stakes. Oh my gosh, look at this user manual.
Oh, we didn't have one before.
We didn't have one of these before. This thing's huge. That's nice. Look at that. I'm excited. I love user manuals. Okay. So we don't know what these are yet.
You think they're scrapers?
I don't know. Okay. Then these are anchor bolts, it looks like, to mount whatever. And this is our antenna ones, which we know about that. And there's the RTK. And here's the antenna for the RTK. And that's the whole first section. Look!
Johnny, you made it back!
It is brand new. It is brand new. That's good.
Johnny number 2.
It looks different. These sensors, do these sensors look different to you?
I don't remember.
I do not remember the sensors looking like that in the front. Wow. Oh, what am I doing? That goes here. I'm just so excited again. It's like Christmas in July.
Except it's March.
Okay, let's get this out of the way. Here we go again. Yep, it's heavy, just like the last one. And let's see if we got a 10 amp or a 5 amp. .5 amp. So we don't have our 10 amp charger. So we're gonna have to message them. That's awesome. See, and the reason I sent the other one back is because if it had problems with it, I wanted to get a new one. So that's great. And I don't see any difference with this than our old one. It is so flexible. There's the sensor on the bottom. It looks like the same thing. A lot of people, when they got theirs, was broke. Ours looks good. Yeah. Okay. There's our unboxing. We'll get this set up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
And we'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll keep rolling and get it charging.
10 amp charger, no more.
Yeah.
Means we can't mow multiple times in one day. Sashi, what do you think about it? What do you think? And now we got to do a new perimeter and everything.